Hello, my fellow eggheads. My name is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today, we're going to go over how to open programs without actually clicking on them. And so let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to use Windows Run. So how we access that is by clicking on the Windows key and your R key at the same time. And it opens up. If that doesn't work for you, feel free to just type in Run and then click on it in your search bar as well. Okay, so I'm going to type in the Windows executable file, which is basically the set of instructions the computer accesses when a user clicks on an application. So if I wanted to open Paint, I would type in mspaint dot, oops, not Mr. Paint, that won't do it. mspaint.exe, like so, and then I hit enter. Boom, it opens it. Because basically what I said, hey, run this executable file, and this executable file is the same file that runs when you click on it. Only I did a workaround by using Windows Run. And also, if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do that again because it's so much fun. I'm going to open up Windows Run. But this time I'm going to open up Explorer.exe. Windows Explorer. So it's really that simple. You can just keep, any of your applications that you want to. All you have to do is look up what the executable file is for it, and then you can access it really quick. Now, why is this helpful? Well, because it's a lot quicker instead of searching for an app to just say, hey, if I know that I want to open Paint, and all I have to do is type in MS Paint instead of just having to click on it, search for it. Once I know the extension, then I can literally just use my keyboard, which means you can just open right away when you're starting up your computer. And it also just feels like you are this techie mastermind when you know how to do this. So there's also that benefit. But staying focused, it's also quicker. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.